Hey guys, it's James with Auto Odometer, and I wanted to show you how I apply this glass sealant without an orbital or a buffer. Now the glass sealant is only going to last as long as or as good as your preparation, so you do want to make sure you have a clean glass. And I've already clayed and washed the vehicle, but I went ahead and used some window cleaner just to make it as clean as possible to have a really good surface. So once we have all of the bonded surface contaminants off of the glass using the clay, we can use Griots Garage Fine Glass Polish. It says it removes mild water spots and if there's any film on the glass, just to make sure that you have a good surface for the glass sealant to bond to. Now this glass sealant, they said it can last up to 6 months. Obviously the best thing for sealing your glass is going to be a ceramic coating, which I'll have a few videos out here in the future. If you guys want to subscribe to the channel and check that out, I'm going to be applying ceramic coating to a few of the vehicles that I own to the glass. Now, doing it by hand obviously is going to be a little bit more labor intensive than using an orbital, but you don't have to bust out your orbital and make sure you have an electrical outlet nearby or have an extension cord and then have to deal with all the fling with the polish. You just simply put a little bit on your microfiber towel, rub it in, and then start buffing it. And then once it dries to a haze, which is almost immediately, you can buff it off. Once you're satisfied with how clean your glass is, you are ready to apply your glass sealant. Now you can use a microfiber applicator, one of those little circle pads you can get at AutoZone, or you can use a microfiber towel and just pour a line on one side of the microfiber towel like I did, and then make sure that line is the leading part of your microfiber towel as you wipe the sealant on the glass. While the front windshield glass is curing, if you want to do the back, which is especially on this vehicle where it's slanted and the rain will hit it, you can do the same procedure where you wipe it down with a window cleaner, use a glass polish, buff it off, and then apply your glass sealant. Another step you can do, which I think is as important as clay barring and polishing the glass, is cleaning your windshield wipers. You don't want to put windshield wipers back on your newly coated or newly sealed windshield. That's just going to start to break down the sealant a lot quicker if you have dirty windshield wipers. You could also replace your windshield wipers as well when you do this, if you just time it right, if you have old windshield wipers. And here is what it's going to look like when it's raining. We didn't have any rain in the forecast, and I was at a customer's in a customer's garage. You're going to have something like this when you are driving in the rain. At some points, you won't even have to use your windshield wipers. You'd be able to just allow the water to beat off. And if you do use your windshield wipers, the driving experience is a lot more pleasant when you have a sealant or some type of coating on your windshield glass. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and also head down into the comments and let me know what type of video or what style of video you would like to see here in the future. And with that, thanks for watching.